Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurain Solehah Binti Zainuddin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Kamaliah Binti Muhammad Ghazali.
Hi, my name is Nurayuni Binti Aman.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amratul Azizah Binti Hayazelee.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to show the process of the installation of operating system using virtual machines. The process consists of 4 parts. First, preparation of installation dates, installation of virtual machine, installation of operating system, and setting up the operating system.
First, we need to open the Google Chrome. For the first step, for preparing installation disk, we need to choose either download Windows USB files or ISO file. Now, type the download Windows 10 IS file and then click for the first option that appears. And then you see and download the tool now. After finish, we need to click and show in folder and click yes. Click in the folder and launch it and wait. Click accept and wait. And click create installation media and next. Click next, and for this I choose USB flash drive. Click next and click the icon USB. Click next and wait for the loading Windows 10, verifying and create the Windows 10. And click finish for the setup cleaning before it closes.
Firstly, in order to install the virtual machine, you must to have good connection of internet. Then type here VMware Workstation Pro Tier download and then enter. Click at the first option and then scroll down the workstation for Windows and download now. Can wait and then wait until the download finish. Okay, the download is finished. Then show in folder. This is where the file of virtual machine has been placed after download. Okay, open it. Okay, wait. Okay, when this option appears, just click Next. I accept and then Next. 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 And next. Then install. Okay, we must to wait again for a while. Okay, almost done. When this option appears, you can choose between license or finish, but I will choose for finish. Okay, first click at create a new virtual machine. Click at custom. Next. Next. And then choose I will install the operating system later. Next. Click at resources window. Next again. Here is the virtual machine name. It's a Windows 10 at 64, and this is the where the virtual machine that you has been downloaded has been stored. Okay, next again, and then choose UEFI. Next. Next again. Okay, this is the virtual memory of virtual machine. Here you can increase and also decrease, but I will increase to 2 GB. Okay. And then click next. Use network address translation NAT, and then net. Choose at LSI Logic SAS recommended and click next, and then choose SCSI and then next, and then choose create a new virtual disk. Click next. Okay, choose a store virtual disk as a single file. Next. The file will be created using this name, Windows 10 at 64, and then next. Okay, this is the information about your operating system. You can click at finish. So here is your device of Windows 10 at 64.
After setting up the language, we can now proceed with the installation of Windows 10. The Windows 10 installation file can be downloaded from the official site. If you already have the product key, you can enter it there. If not, you can go to and click I don't have a product key. From here, you'll need to choose which version of Windows you want. Here, I'll choose Windows 10 Home Single Language. Click Next. Accept the license term, tick it, and then click Next. Choose either of these two. I'll choose Custom Installation. Then choose the drive you want to install the Windows 10. Click Next. Then wait for the Windows installation, which may take a few time. After the installation files is downloaded, your PC will be restarted. After your PC is restarted, you'll be taken to the main screen with Windows logo on it. This may take a few more times, so please be patient while waiting for the computer to set up the OS. After the OS is set up, you may choose the keyboard layout. Pick your preference and then you may proceed. Now you will be prompted to choose whether to add the second keyboard layout. You can skip or add it later. Wait for your computer to set up the OS again. After your PC is started, you will now be prompted to sign in with Microsoft. If you had the Microsoft account already, you can sign in with that, or use offline account and sign it with Microsoft later. Then create the password for your PC. And then create security question for the account of yours. Skip to yes and wait. Now the OS is setting up. This may take a moment. Congratulations! Now you have successfully installed Windows 10 OS into your computer. You may now begin to personalize your computer.
Now, I will show how to set up the operating system. At Start button, find Setting, click on Personalization, click on Themes, click Desktop icon setting, click on Computer, User File, Network, Recycle Bin and Control. Click OK. On this PC, right-click, choose Properties, choose Device Manager, check all these are the list of drivers that you can install. On this PC, right-click, choose Manage. At Storage section, click on Disk Management. It will display like this. It will show you all the disks that you have in this computer, and you can see a system reserve memory. So now I want to make a partition in C drive. Click Shrink Volume. On your right click, please wait. On this display, I will just use the suggested size. Click Shrink. So now, the unallocated space are shown here. Right-click on unallocated space, click New Simple Volume, click Next, just stay with the size, click Next, Here you can choose any letter that you want. Then click next. At the volume label, you can put any words. So here I change to data. Click next. Click finish. So now in section show the name that I give, data. Open the control panel. Choose system and security. Choose system. Here choose advanced system settings. Under advanced options, click settings. Choose advanced. Click change. Untick the automatically manage paging file size for all drives. So it will allow you to custom the size. Tick on it. On initial size boards and maximum size, I will put 600. Click set. Then OK. OK. Let's search. Find system information. So here we can see all the memory information that we already set it up. Now I will show you how to run Task Manager. Right click on taskbar, choose Task Manager. This will show you the process, performance, app history, start up, users, details, and services of the new Windows. To share a folder, right-click on screen, click New, click Folder, rename it. I change it to File. Right-click on the folder, choose Give Access To, click Specific People. You can choose who user you want to send the file. Click Add. It will appear down here and Share. The sharing is done, so just click Done. To create an account, open Setting, click Accounts, choose Family and Other Users, click Add someone else to this PC. Wait for a moment. Here, you need to fill the username and create password. Make sure you fill up the security questions too. Security question will be used when you forget your password. Please make sure you know all the answers. Click Next. So, the account will appear here. Then, at Search Box, search Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. At User's Account, click Change Account Type. Click the account you just made. Click Change the Account Type. Click on the Administrator. Click Change Account Type. Now the changing is done.
As conclusions, operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. An operating system allows users to communicate with computer without knowing how to speak the computer language.